So, welcome again, guys. The trade I was taken on GBP USD, I closed it here on break even, as you have seen it already. After this rejection, not after this rejection, but just before the news, I put my stop loss into break even, just like here. It took out and it's going up. I don't know, I'm not sure if it will go to the upside or not, but this wide rejection bar was an entry signal for me. But still, this is news then, so because of the news I was thinking it gave the rejection, but it still might go up. There was the idea behind the trade. I'm not closing here. I didn't close here, sorry, my English is a bit off, so it stopped me out here. So this is a break-even day. Let's go to the reason why I took this trade. If we go on daily, it is clearly on a bullish side. On H1, clearly on a bullish market structure. Retracement, and it's taking off from here. For now, looks like it will complete our target, but after taking our stop loss, kind of bad luck day, I would say. If this goes like, if this cannot close with that strength, but still there is strength, guys. I do believe, I think it will hit my target, but it was a bad luck day, so that's it. And we had another trade on GBP CAD, bullish, daily bullish on H1, clearly on a rejection zone. This was the place I was looking for buy. On M5, it came and very strong price action, very strong reaction it gave here, and it was a S&D zone. It was a nice setup, but at this time I was already in the GBP USD. I was in the trade, so my risk management system didn't allowed me to take here another trade, alright, because I was taking the position on GBP USD. It was a nice trade. It played out, buys playing out well. After seeing these GBP pairs, I do believe it will hit our target, but it was a bad luck, guys. I see it from New York, from the New York to the this is the green is London, the red is New York. All the way I started trading from this London open to New York, all the way to London close. This blue is London close. I said all session, guys. I was completely exhausted. It stopped me 8 hours, 8.5 hours almost. Can you imagine? I was sitting on the chair for 8 fucking hours. And what I get at the end of the day? I took a hit. I closed and break even, and it is going to hit my target now. After seeing this GBP pair, I do believe it will hit our target. This is trading. Trading can be very frustrating sometimes. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm believing it will hit our target. Actual entry was this candle, but this was the actual entry was this. It formed a level here, right? It came, respected one, respected twice, respected third time, then it finally broke up. After retesting here, this was actual entry candle, but I wasn't sure about this trade. So after seeing this nice expansion, I entered here. I did put my limit buy in this level, as you can see on the live trading clip, but after this I was thinking it will just continue like this, because this level setup works like that. Because of that, I did put here. If I was able to enter here, then I think Yeah, it would be the same stop loss because it did came to this level too. I would say this was a bad luck day. So that's it guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Alright.